Hi there, welcome to another morning yoga flow for 15 minutes. If you're tired, stiff, and rusty and you want to start your morning better, then this flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and of course, a will to flow with me. So let's get started. To start with, sit comfortably in any posture of your ease. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, hands over your heart or over your knees, wherever you are most comfortable at. Try to ease yourself and align your breath and try to center yourself with your breathing pattern. As you inhale and as you exhale, you feel the air is flowing through it. And with that rhythm, you just let go of all the discomfort and just focus on your breath. And you do this for 5 to 10 rounds. And eventually you open your eyes and place your hands in front of the body. To begin with, start rotating your wrists clockwise and anti-clockwise. And now take your hands at the back of your head. Keep your chest open. Create a gentle arch on your spine. And with the exhale, enclose your elbows right in front of your face. Inhale here. Exhale, bring elbows together. Again, inhale, wide open and look at the ceiling. And as you exhale, you curl your spine. After this, you gently take your both the hands open to the sides and bring the arms in cactus position. Do them together and then start interchanging them. One goes up, the other one goes down, and try to feel the stretch in your shoulders, in your shoulder blades, and of course in your spine, and eventually in your entire arm. Try to stay strong. Do 5 to 10 rounds from each side. After this, take hands to the side of your body. As you inhale, bring your palms together right over your head and exhale to your chest. Inhale again, goes above your head. As you exhale and inhale, hold it. Look in between the thumbs and with the exhale, bring it to the chest. Again, hold here and breathe mindfully. Now, eventually, place your right palm next to your right thigh and stretch the arms to the side. Take your left arm over your left side of the head. Give a nice side stretch and lengthen your arms to best of your capabilities. Now change your side to the left side. Create an extension and side stretch to the right side of your body. Stretch it all the way up. And then start bringing your head forward and backward, chin to chest. And as you inhale, create an back bend. Exhale, bring it forward. Now place your palms over your shoulder and do shoulder rolls. Forward to backward. And then eventually backward to forward. Practice it really well. Create bigger, longer, larger circles. And then from here, come on your all fours. Shoulders and palms are in a line and hips and knees are in a line. Toes pointed in or out. Just stay stable over here and then eventually breathe in and out. And then fold the right palm inwards, left palm inwards. Then eventually inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest and curl your spine and look in between both the knees or at the navel. Inhale, exhale, repeat. Inhale, create a good lengthening in your spine without compromising your neck, and exhale. Look at the navel and curl your spine. Inhale back. Exhale. And as you inhale, extend the right arm. Fold the left elbow. Exhale here. Inhale, extend the left hand and fold the right elbow. Create lengthening in the shoulder blades and upper arm. From here, again get onto the right side. The same movement. And so is from the left side for creating all the extension. Feel the deeper stretch, the active stretch. Now place both the forearms, extend the legs at the back, get into a comfortable simple back bend. Keep your chest open. Ears are away from the shoulder. Hands are grounded and your elbows and shoulders are in a line. Look at the heel of the feet and feel the stretch in the sides of your belly. And then fold both the legs and try to grab the shin bones to practice Dhanurasana. And then as you inhale, gently come up. Hold it up here and let it be little gentle on your shoulders. But keep your chest open and exhale, come down. Do not hold the leg position. Again, inhale, come up. And this time, exhale, go down and release the hands, release the leg and relax over here. Take a deep breath in and out. And then from here, practice with inhale, the Spider-Man pose. Exhale, hands goes down. Again, inhale, hands goes up, legs are pointed at the back. Exhale down. Inhale, hands and your legs coordinated, flying like up, and then with exhale goes down. Now interlock your finger at over the hips and again inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up all the way. And then interlock your fingers, forearm on the yoga mat and knees lift off. Look in between the elbows or at the thumbs. And hold it here, let your core engaged. And whenever you're ready, again you can lift up and this time try to make a deeper V and try to walk your feet forward with a break. You can any point in time, you can fold your knees and relax and hold this pose. Breathe in and out. Exhale, come down. And this time place the palms on the yoga mat, push away them, lift off the knees and get into a downward facing dog. Start walking your feet forward and then backward and get a comfortable cushion. Here you can bend your knees if you have to and relax at any given point if you need to. Otherwise, hold the downward facing dog and breathe in and out very carefully. And start paddling your knees. If you need some lengthening in your hamstrings, feel free to bend knees if you have to. And with the inhale, bring the left foot next to left palm. Hold the lizard pose and extend the left arm in the air and move your arm up and down. Continue to hold the lizard while extending the arm and keeping yourself strong throughout. Lift off the back knee if you can and then eventually drop it back with control and fold the back leg. Hold the big toe using the left arm and create all the extension in your left shoulder and eventually with exhale create in and out folding in your left knee, and then bring the left foot back. Now this time bring the right foot next to right palm, and using right hand bring it down and up to create some dynamic movement in the lizard pose while holding it. Keep it strong. And then eventually you can lift off your knees, or you can directly fold the back leg. Hold and breathe. And then exhale, release. Again, stretch the right leg, forward, backward. And then eventually bring the right foot back. Now at this point, sit upright in Vajrasana, where your hips are over your heels. And then eventually gently come into the child's pose. Bring your knees to the mat, big toes touching or knees wide open. Whatever feels best for your body this morning. Let your hips soften back towards your heels. Fold forward and rest your torso between your thighs or over your legs. Choose what feels best. Allow your forehead to melt down to the mat or onto a yoga block or any of the prop if you like to choose. Let the arms rest wherever they feel most natural, either reaching forward, palms down, or relaxed alongside. And then take a slow breath in and a long, easy exhale. As you inhale again, feeling the back body gently expand, and as you exhale, allow yourself to fully be arrived. Begin to release any effort. There is nothing you need to hold, fix, or change right now. Just allow your body to be supported and relaxed and nourished and ready. Notice the gentle stretch across your lower back, hips, and eventually, of course, your shoulders. If it feels good, add a soft sway of the torso from side to side, or maybe just a small nod, or maybe a little lengthening in your arms. But remember to bring your awareness back to your breath time to time. Feel it moving naturally in and out like waves, steady, calm, and unforced. If any thoughts come in between, just bring back your attention to your breath. As you breathe in, imagine drawing a sense of fresh energy to start your day ahead. And as you breathe out, let go of anything that feels heavy, rushed, unnecessary, or unprepared. Allow your shoulders to soften away from the ears, let the jaw unclench. Relax the space between the eyebrows. This is the moment to pause, to recharge, to rejuvenate, to prepare yourself for the coming day ahead. To honor the work you have done already through this flow, and to gently prepare your mind or body to start off your day. Stay here for a few more breaths. And each inhale, try to create more awareness with more space. And with each exhale, ground yourself a little deeper. Begin to bring sense of gratitude into shape. Gratitude for your body, for taking time to practice and letting your body choose an opportunity to move, to start your day with more awareness, more ease, and with more energy. And whenever you are ready, sit upright, take few more rounds of breath, rub your palms, and gather the whole energy which you created through this practice. I hope and wish you a great rest of the day, and you keep showing up for yourself on most of the mornings to have a better days ahead. So then, if you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.